right, guys, it's Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. Today we're going to go over the IQ-Carbon. It's a brand new folding electric wheelchair to the industry, made by ComfyGo. They're one of the premier brands in the industry, especially in regards to folding electric wheelchairs. They're really mastering that marketplace. They brought another one to the industry. This is a carbon fiber frame. Once you remove the battery, it gets down to 38 pounds. It has a 290-pound weight capacity, 11-mile battery range. It's airline approved. It has a really nice cushion that's contoured to your legs. So in this video, just want to go over it in a little more detail and show you more about the IQ-Carbon. All right, so first I'm going to start with just the foot plate. One thing that you'll notice about this is that this is a bigger foot plate than what would come on most folding electric wheelchairs that fold flat. Pretty standard in the way that it flips up. Not much to it, you can adjust it, but I like that it's big, so people with bigger feet would definitely like this chair. The tires on the front and the back, they're both flat free tires, so no need to worry about flat tires. Got your battery located right here. So I think this is one of the appealing things about this chair, is that the battery is easy to access. So when you're flying with this, the airline is going to make you remove the battery. So if I get to the gate and I'm about to board, they're going to make you take it off, fold up the chair, give it to them, and take the battery out. So all you have to do is flip this little clip down. You can pull it right out. Like, super easy to do. You got a charging port directly on the battery, so you can charge the battery itself. Once it's fully charged, you can test it. So you'll know if it's fully charged right here. You can also charge it directly on the joystick itself. And as far as putting it back in, so you want the handle facing up, and then you slide it right in, and you'll hear it click into place. And then this clip will keep it from bouncing out of the chair. So in addition to that, with removing the battery, making it easy, you can also remove the joystick easily. And this is really well thought out, so they made it so that you can just unscrew this portion of the joystick, and then you unscrew this part here. This comes right out. So the joystick can be expensive to replace. They've made it easy to take it off. So you would take, the best thing to do if you're flying is to take the battery off, which they require you to do, and then just take this off and carry these on, put them in a little carry-on bag. And then when you put it back in, you just find the right positioning, lock it into place, and you reconnect. There's also two little arrows here, so you know when you line them up together and screw into place, it's now connected properly, and I can turn the joystick on. So speaking of the joystick, we'll go over that. You've got your speedometer, miles per hour, battery range, you got your speed control. This is where you adjust it, so I can adjust it down or up. Top speed on this is 4 miles per hour. You have a horn. You even have a headlight. One time it turns it on. That's the high beam. If I hit it again, that's a low beam, and those are your flashers. So built-in headlight. Also have a USB charging port as well on the joystick, and you can charge it right here directly on the joystick as well. You also notice there's another button right here where this light is blue. It's lit up. This just silences all the different noises. So for example, if I turn this off, now if I adjust the speed, it's going to make these beeping noises, and even if you go in reverse, it's going to beep. And some people find that annoying. So you can silence all that. Now I can go in reverse, it's not going to make any noises. And when I adjust the speed, it's not going to make any noises. Also have a horn right here. If you're left-handed, it's easy to move to the left side. You have a little hole on this side. You can slide the joystick in here, secure it into place, and you just fish the wire on this side. So easy to do if you're left-handed. Armrest also flip up, allows you to get in and out of the seat more easily. They actually come all the way back and really get out of the way. Also have a seat belt that comes standard. I think another really big selling point to this chair as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, is the cushion. Really nice padding. It's contoured where your legs are. Very comfortable. That's a complaint that some people have with these folding electric wheelchairs. There's not a lot of padding. When you fold it, if you want to get to the most compact position, it's best to remove the seat cushion, but you can fold it with the seat cushion still on. That's not a problem. Now on the back, you see we have two spring suspensions. You've got two 250 watt motors, so 500 watts of power combined. Here's your anti-tip wheels, which are flipped up. I can remove this pin right here, and I can put it down and lock it into place if I wanted to. Now, right now it's in drive, so if I try to push this chair, it's not going to allow me to push it. So if you ran out of battery life, put both of these in manual and you can push it. But you'll notice that it's beeping. That's because they're in manual. You can't operate the chair when it's in manual, but if I turn it off, now I can push it, the manual wheelchair. You got a little handle here, so you could use this as a walker if you wanted to get up and kind of stretch your feet. You can do that. If you're a caretaker, you can do that to kind of mix it up.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
I think a really cool thing about this chair is that, so if I put them in manual and I turn this on, it's going to beep. It's giving you error code C4. Now with a lot of these folding electric wheelchairs, you have to put these down into drive and power it off and then power it back on. But if I put these both into drive, that automatically fixes it. So you don't have to turn off the joystick, turn it back on. Now it's already fixed. Just a little thing, but I think that's cool that they designed it that way. Another awesome feature is, so there's not much storage. You got a little storage pouch here on the back, but it comes standard with this remote control. So in order to connect this remote control, you have to hold down the power button. So I'm gonna hold it down for about 3 or 4 seconds and it's gonna light up. Once it's lit up, hold down the down arrow for about 3 or 4 seconds. And you'll see it turn another color. So it's like a red color now, hard to see in the daytime. Now the joystick is turned on. So if I hold down this minus sign for about 3 or 4 seconds, you'll see a little Bluetooth symbol pop up. It's flashing, it's really hard to see. But if I hit the horn button one time, it becomes a solid Bluetooth symbol and it powers off the joystick. Then I power it back on. Hit this one time, the power button on the remote control. Now I can operate this. So if you're someone that's taking care of somebody, you can walk in front of them, walk alongside them. I can even adjust the speed on this from the remote control. So I had it at the top speed, which is 4 miles per hour. If I wanted to go slower, I can turn it down. Now I can just conversate and talk to the person I'm controlling, have that face-to-face interaction. So you can see I'm controlling the speed control. You can control the horn. The only thing you can't do is control the headlight on here. These buttons down here don't do anything, so don't worry about these. And then obviously this mimics the joystick. Believe it or not, this range on this, it can go really far away from you. I don't know why you would ever need to do this, but I can control this thing all the way like up to 60 yards, like really far away. And the great thing is this thing comes standard with this. There's no additional charge for this. So I'm gonna power this off for now. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. So the other thing I'll show you is the armrests were designed to offer a lot of support. So a lot of times when people get in and out of these chairs, they put a lot of weight on their armrest getting in and out. And with this chair, it's okay to do that. So I can put all of my weight on this and it doesn't affect it. So I think that's important to note. Let's say I'm flying on an airline. What do you do? Or what's the process? Like, how do I get it down to that lowest weight and the most compact piece? So if I was flying with this, I would remove the cushion. The seat cushion, I'd take that off. They're definitely going to require you to remove the battery, which is easy to access. And then I would also disconnect this joystick and take this on with you. So now at this point, I'm going to flip up this foot plate. On the back, you'll see this little latch. I'm just going to pull this and it allows you to fold it. So now I can fold it into this compact position, keep the foot plate up, and that's what it looks like. It even has these little legs that stick out that supports it. It gives it a lot of stable, makes it very stable when you set it up like this. And this is all the stuff I took off. So as far as unfolding, first thing I would do is flip this down and then just kind of take it from the back. I did that with one hand, be easier with two. Now you got it unfolded. And I'll put the rest of this together. Get the battery back in, get the cushion back on, and the joystick. Another really nice thing about the chair is it is powered by two 250 watt motors. So two powerful motors, especially for a lightweight folding electric wheelchair, and it can handle different terrains, you know, within reason. So obviously it's going to do well on smooth, flat surfaces, which is what it's basically designed for. But you can also ride in the grass. Now this is like flat terrain. It's a little like bumpy, but it can handle this just fine. It also offers a super tight turning radius. Basically will spin in place in its own footprint. So completely turn around, it's not a problem. Joystick is intuitive. If you never operated an electric wheelchair before, and some of our customers that we've talked to have never used one, it takes a little bit of getting used to if you've never done it before, but it doesn't take long. Like after you use this a couple times, you'll get it down. It's not hard. And I mean, you could even use the remote control. So you can just hold that in your hand. If you felt more comfortable using that, you can hold it against your chest. And I know some people have medical conditions where they can't use the joysticks, they have to use that. You can try this out risk-free with our 7-day risk-free trial. And the way it works is you would just purchase the chair like you normally would. And then once you receive it, you have 7 days to try it. There's a couple rules to this. You have to try it indoors. You cannot take it outside. You have to keep all of the packaging, the original packaging. And that's just for you to feel comfortable in the chair, make sure it fits you correctly. So if you don't like it, doesn't feel comfortable, you can call us within that 7-day period. We'll send you a prepaid return label, and then you'll send it back. And as long as it's received in good condition, there's no damage, you're gonna receive a full refund. So it's a risk-free way of trying it out. And we offer that because we're so confident in the ComfyGo product line. And if you have any questions about this chair, call us. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks a lot, guys.